Hi, I'm Phil Huber, host of the Woodsmith Shop TV show with a special DVD collection, The Best of the Woodsmith Shop, from seasons 1 to 11. It features 12 of our favorite and most popular projects. You'll find episodes that include easy weekend projects, heirloom treasures, outdoor projects, and even practical workshop storage projects. Some of the episodes included on this 2-disc set are a 3-in-1 bookcase that starts with a plywood case that you can dress up in one of 3 ways to suit any decor in your home. There's also a TV lift cabinet that's a great looking piece of furniture that holds a fun, practical purpose. And what workshop couldn't use a great workbench? So this heavy-duty workbench is easy to build, low cost, and rock solid. You'll find all that and more on the 2-disc DVD collection, The Best of the Woodsmith Shop. Buy yours today.